Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering essential assets and choosing the base avatar. Use 3 reference shots, front, side, close-up, so proportions match. Once done, pick the body type and a skin tone that reads correctly in-game. Make sure it reads under the engine lighting. Next, add a hair base immediately and block in primary color. Icy blue for Elsa, warm auburn for Anna. This early blocking saves time later when you refine features and clothing layers. You now sculpt the defining facial shapes and build the costume. Start with facial sliders. Widen or narrow the eyes, set a gentle brow angle, refine nose length and mouth curve to match expressions. Once the face reads right, layer clothing in stages. Base dress, visible seams, then outer cloak or cape with trim. Then lock in a 3-hue palette for fabric plus 2 highlights for sheen. Make sure to test materials under game lighting as you iterate. You finish by refining textures, adding motion, and validating the build. Paint small details, freckles, subtle makeup, embroidery, or frost highlights on fabric. Then set hair physics and braid constraints so movement feels natural. Link idle and emote animations to the character's mood. Export a preset and save numbered versions. If things look off, troubleshoot by adjusting in-game lighting and tone curves first. This often fixes perceived color or contrast issues without reworking assets. If still wrong, revert to the nearest saved version.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.